Okay, part two. I accidentally stopped the video. So instead of re-recording, I'm just going to pick up from where we left off. So on the online textbook, you would go to Canvas, go to Math, go to Modules, and Connect Ed. Now, one thing I need to add is you may get a white screen. You may get a little window in the upper left-hand corner that might say Allow pop-ups. You need to allow it for it to be able to open. Now remember, to be able to do most of our stuff, you need to be sure that you've logged into Rapid Identity and that you're going through Canvas. Then when you've logged into Rapid Identity, you've got access to many, many apps. Some of the ones we've used this week, we've used learning.com. That has a lot of technology stuff. It has digital citizenship, keyboarding. Some students were saying that there were some repeat lessons in there. They're not repeat, they're just similar. Then you've also got Imagine Math. You should have started and finished your benchmark. There would be, there's probably stuff on there that you don't know how to do, or you don't remember how to do, or you haven't learned how to do yet. And that's okay. It's just to see what you know. Then we've got, iExcel. Now, iExcel is not in Rapid Identity. So you have to go to iExcel.com. And if you did not have your password, you need your password. I did give a copy of all the passwords to your homeroom teachers. They do have a copy of those. And you can also send me a message if you're having trouble with that as well. The password on that is little lowercase with your birth date. So, like if your birth date was, let's say, March, okay, so let's say, so it's going to be the month of your birth date and then the day. So, let's say that your birthday was June 3rd, it would be little, June would be 06, the 3rd would be 03. So, it's 2 for the month, 2 for the day. And this is an example. Please don't try to use this if this is not your birthday. Okay. Then, so in iExcel, I told you you need to be sure when you go to iExcel that you go to Math and that you go to 6th grade. So there were a few people yesterday who were in 5th grade, not in 6th grade. So remember, you're in 6th grade now, so do 6th grade. Then, so we got the iExcel. What else? Okay. Okay. Also, you have my YouTube channel, Math with Monica. Now, I have all the videos that I've ever made are visible. So you'll want to check the date. And you are more than welcome to watch any of those videos or all the videos that you want to, but I will be uploading new ones or pushing forward new ones that I want you to watch that correlate with our lessons. Okay. If there's a topic that you are interested in or you need help with, and you're like, hey, I can't remember how to do finding common denominators with fractions, can you make a video? Absolutely. I do not mind doing that at all. So you can just send me a message and say, hey, Miss Brooke, do you have a video on this topic? And I will either, show you where it is or make one for you. Not a problem. So I hope that's helpful for this first week in terms of things that you have access to, tools you have. I know that also this week you made your hand. I'm going to put on page 2 of mine. Okay, so we're going to go back. Let me show you. So on our table of contents, I'm going to go to today, which is the 21st. Okay, and I'm going to put resources, and that's on page 1. Okay. Um, I'm going to put goal hand on page 2. And so what you can do is I'm going to, and that was the paper that I had you make where I had you draw the circle, trace your hand, and I'll do one real quick. Draw the circle. Inside the circle, you wanted to put your goal for the first 6 weeks in math. Okay. So I'm just putting this so we know what goes there. You should have put what went there. And then over here, you should trace your hand. And on each finger, you would put the steps that you're doing to make this goal happen. So if I said, well, a good one for me is to get better at technology. Okay. So improve, I'm going to say, improve my technology skills. And there are 2 things that I know right off the bat I need to do. I need to learn how to upload my videos a little bit better, especially the Zoom ones. And then my other one was I'm working on how to create or make sure that anything that you need to submit to me is very easy for you to submit, and that if it's a worksheet, that it's fillable. So I would trace my hand, and then on each finger write the steps to make that happen. Okay, so you should be good with that. So that gets us to page 3. All right. So what I want you to do is on page 3, as I just want you to reflect. So I'll put reflections. And I want you to reflect about just about this week and about just how things are going so far. If you need help with something, need to improve something, is your work area conducive to you to be, is it a work area set up where you can be very successful? So let's look at your work area. Materials. Do you have all the materials that you need? All the supplies that you need to be successful? If there's supplies that you're needing, just send me a message and let me know, and we'll see if there's some way that we can get it to you. Okay. Is there, let's see. Do you need help with a schedule? Do you know what your schedule is? And are you able to follow it? Do you need to make a poster that has your schedule on it? Do you need to set timers? Oops. So let's do poster, timers. Okay. I had somebody who said that they were so busy working on iExcel or Imagine Math that they missed social studies time or something, or they were late. So maybe timers would be helpful for you. So I want you to just write and reflect about your first week of online learning. So reflections would be first week of online learning. All right. Okay, guys. Well, I hope this is helpful for you. And next week, we are going to start taking notes in our math journal over math topics. Okay. So don't think, oh my gosh, when are we going to actually do some real math? Because we're getting there and we are going to have fun with it. So you have a fabulous, fabulous weekend and can't wait to see you.